it's a complete protein, how it's got tons of beneficial oils and salts and magnesium and zinc, which is great. Vitamins, water-soluble vitamins, fat-soluble vitamins, like fat-soluble vitamins like A, E, and K, and D. No, I don't think K is, but definitely D is fat-soluble. That's in the oil. You get the maximum A, E, and D from the oil. Then you're getting the B, C, K, and all the other kind of vitamins that there are from the greens. And so that's why we like to mix the oil and the greens together, so that way we get all the maximum water soluble and all the maximum fat soluble vitamins. So it's really great to even make a paste, like a paste out of the moringa oil and the moringa powder together. And that really gives you a boost. I'm going to be making more videos and sharing more about that combination here in the near future. But